Are you ready?
Ready?
Pwede ba natin gawin yan? Interesting.
Wow! Pwede pala yun.
Yeah, it's possible.
Doc Nikki, alam kong curious kayo. Been there, then that. What's that?
Okay lang yan. As long as you do it right like me.
If you feel you're ready, go lang. But do it right. Gets na namin.
That video is only a partial for contraceptive planning. Contraceptive planning refers to a personalized approach for choosing and using birth control methods to prevent pregnancy based on an individual's needs, preference, and health consideration. There are 3 types of contraceptive planning, which is hormonal methods, barrier methods, and permanent methods.
Hormonal methods, sample pills. Birth control pills are a highly effective form of contraception that prevent pregnancy by regulating a woman's hormones.
Birth control injection. The hormone progestin in the birth control shot works by preventing ovulation.
The vaginal ring is a small, flexible birth control device inserted into the vagina, releasing hormones to prevent pregnancy.
Barrier methods example. Condoms. Condoms are a type of contraceptive device used to prevent pregnancy and reduce the risk of sexually transmitted infections.
Example number 2. Cervical cap is a small plastic ball that fits tightly over the cervix and stays in place by suction. It acts as a protection to keep sperm from entering the uterus. Spermicide. Spermicide is a chemical substance used as a form of birth control to kill sperm and prevent pregnancy. It also creates a mechanical barrier.
While is that method for contraceptive planning, there is also consequences.
This is the consequences number 1. Unplanned pregnancies can lead to emotional, social, and financial changes. For individuals, families, couples may struggle with individual responsibilities, description, life plans.
Financially unplanned pregnancies can increase expensive and lead to income loss, lack in preparation can cause stress and impact family quality of life.
Now you know. Bye-bye!
Bye!